Today we play Draw Me. Um, Not much to say. I'm sorry for being gone for so long. Uh, I just didn't feel like, I don't know, making the content I was making. So now we're playing Roblox. Though if you did like the Dark Dome content, please comment down below in the comment section so I know if you wanna go back to that. So we draw this woman, very cutesy avatar. I wanted that hair so badly when I was younger. Okay, let's go for a cutesy kawaii vibe. Yes. That's lopsided, oh my gosh. Let's go. This avatar is so cute. Let's try to get more detail in the eyes. Yeah, we're gonna skip the coloring immediately because I'm impatient. Wrong shade. So I feel like we're gonna do maybe 3 rounds or more. By the way, should I start editing my videos? That's a possibility. Cause I've been trying to learn. And then I quit like after 2 videos of watching how to edit. Cause I got bored. My bad. What was our outline again? This one. Yeah. Low-key, not a big fan of the hair. But let's try to make it look good. That's so bad. Why? No stabilizers. 7%. At this point, I'm just rage baiting myself. Ah yes, 1 minute left. Cause I am so bad at this game. Yeah. What is that? Is that a flower? Oh no, we barely have any time left. It's because I'm all yap, no draw. Let's continue anyways. At some point, this was one of my favorite games. I usually don't play it anymore. Because I'm busy playing Adopt Me. Because it's totally such a good game. And not made for iPad kids. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Let's try to crack. Oh no. Oh my gosh, no. Oh Guys, I think we're I'm cooked. I am so cooked. Zam! I'm gonna die. I'm we're not so cooked after all, never mind. Baka! That was unnecessary, I'm sorry. 2 stars for creativity. Nice. I had no time. My bad. Yeah, I'm such a good artist, guys. See, they love me. I had no yime. I'm my bad. Oh, that's cute. Wrong emotion. Bro is Gojo. Robux. What? That's cute. I like that. Let's let fate decide. My bad, fate didn't like this one. Wow! Oh! Let's not say TY so people don't think I'm pick me. Thank you! Robux. That one. This one. This is so cute. I like this one so much. That one. This one's so nice. And that one's really interesting. So far, fire server. Misa? I should study. Thank you. I have Roblox chat. Do y'all like the fit? It embodies my inner charisma. I was about to say Riz. Okay. Oh, beautiful lady. We have to draw her better this time, cause she's beautiful. No, I called her pretty one. I'm not gonna get cancelled. I'm talking to my sister, by the way. New layer. Let's just darken that. She's so pretty though. I love her avatar. What in the jawline? I don't like it. You know what? That's it. She's facing this way. So I have an excuse for her head to be lopsided. I am not gonna do this girl's outfit justice. Oh my gosh. No! Guys, this game is so pay to win. I'm kidding. Oh my. Have y'all seen those people on YouTube Shorts? Have like very majestic art and it takes them like 5 minutes to make. The like realistic one. Have y'all seen those guys? And wizards, man. That is not big enough. We'll fix that later. If I have enough time still. That's too preppy. Here, let's just add the next layer. Gang, I'm so good at this game. Let's just get started on the glasses, man. I am failing so hard on this avatar. Whoever you are, girl, I'm so sorry. Yeah, can y'all tell I don't like working on small time frames? Can y'all also tell that I don't do digital art? Let's make her hair cover the horrible things that I did with the anatomy. Tangent. I'm so cooked. Fridge. Erase. Oh my gosh! Better than last time. So guys, you have to feel bad for me. So you have to like the video, cause I'm literally so pitiful. Isn't that one character from Danganronpa? I've only seen it on YouTube Shorts. Wow, they love my art, guys. I'm so good. Um, yeah. My bad, gang. Oh, I love it. So cute. Beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, cute. That's cute. Yeah, these guys are emo. So they're staring into the distance. Let me out of here! Cute. Who drew this? I was AFK for a sec. Why you make everyone tsundere? Yay! My big head! That wasn't real. First place made the avatar kinda gyaru. Not really the vibe I saw. Low-key. That this is the tsundere person I assume. Yeah. That's the tsundere. I love this. Oh, she likes that one. Guys, how about mine? What? I just saw some Never mind. I'm gonna get off Roblox. Get off Roblox. I'm kidding. I'll be. I'll. The Obby Pro Master does not quit. Okay. What? The parrot. We will do the parrot justice because of all the mistakes I made in the other rounds. No. Gang, trust the process. Trust the process. This is so bad. Hear the background. The bird. No more background. I need shading. That's like yellow here. I don't know what birds look like. I've never had it. I've never. How do I explain? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. We will fix my mistakes by actually making something good this time. Low key, it looks like an apple right now. Just trust the process, guys. I don't trust the process. I don't. Well, it's not nothing. So, at least I tried and did my best. At this point, I'm just making up excuses. This looks. Oh my gosh. What in the atrocious? Sir. Sir. Turn around. I just realized there's a small bird on the big bird's head. Let's add some shading. What? Oh. Opacity. Now the opacity is too low. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more content like this from the absolute goat, me. Not me. I'm so good at this. Trust me. Let's add the wing. And another wings. And the yellow color. Opacity like this much only. Nope. Like this. Like this. Yeah. No, stop. Stop acting pay to win, bruh. I didn't know there was another bird. Oh. Yeah, gang, I'm so good at this. Wow! I love it. Parrot, you're such a good artist. Who is Zeus? Let's see. Zeus. Let's just see. Lizoon. So good. She's a killer queen. Yes. Guys, look at mine. His arms were cut off. I didn't know I was zoomed in that far. I I didn't not I did not cook this time, gang. I'm so sorry. How long are we in the video? We're in 21 minutes in. So I draw it's all your, I don't know what that means. Last round, then video's done. So I draw a W. Oh, we didn't check who Zeus is. Yes, sir! I got the W! I just hit the jackpot! His arm! His wings! Oh no, his wings! I'm so sad. Guns N' Roses. What's that again? Guys, can you comment what Guns N' Roses is? I know it's like a music something. I low-key don't know though. Look at the Obby Pro Master. Shoo! Get your feet off the table, monkey. Last strat was really good. I want to lean more into that. Okay, we gotta darken that. Is this an OC or is this like an actual thingy? I can't tell. Well, let's add on the hair. Let's make the body first. My bad. I think I want to do a dynamic pose with this one. Do I have enough time for that? Maybe. Maybe, like, actually. If we believe in ourselves, then we can win. Legends never die. Let's okay, the head is here. Fold like this. If the anatomy is off, no one will notice. It's fine. I know it looks like a purple mud man right now, but trust the process. Okay, we have to change the color for the arm so I don't get confused. The hand. The hilt. The sword is like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like we can just do fast line art with this one. Because the dynamic pose will save us. Yeah, that must have been what Roblox thought when they added dynamic faces. That was a bad joke. Ah! No! No, 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 no. Better be kidding me. You better be kidding me. Can I merge, y'all? No, let's just get started on line art. I don't care anymore. Can y'all tell drawing people is not my strong suit? Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very sorry for having a really bad drawing. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.